Hi there, my name is Desiree Delahant. I live in Garden City, Kansas, and I teach fifth grade math at Charles Stone's Intermediate Center for USD 457. I just finished my fourth year teaching the fifth grade math. We moved to Garden City from Colorado, where I had taught fifth grade for a year before. I also taught 5 years of private kindergartens and preschools. My husband was in the Army, so we moved around quite a bit. So that brought us to California, where I taught private preschool, and then back to Colorado, where I taught private kindergarten, and then we moved out here. I really love my job and I really love the area. I want to be a principal because I feel like I am a pretty easy person to get along with. Being a principal has a lot to do with relationship building, I feel, and that is actually the reason I took my current job is because of my principal. There were other fifth grade positions open when I was offered the job, but because of my current principal, I actually decided to take my job. I think that a principal needs to be someone who makes people happy to come to work. They're a positive role model, they have good morals, and I feel like I have those things. I'm pretty easy to get along with, and I love working with children, and I think that one day when I do become a principal, I think that I have some of the characteristics and traits that would make a good one. As for some of my experiences with supervisory responsibilities, I was a mentor for 2 years to new teachers, and in that time I did walkthroughs and evaluations, and then we would conference about those afterwards. I have also been a part-time math coach, and I did that for 1 year. And that also involved walkthroughs and evaluations and then conferencing as well. And then I have also been the lead fifth grade math teacher. So I have been in charge of our PLCs and our math plannings for the last 3 years. We do observe each other, and then we make sure that we're all staying on the right track and we're all teaching the way we should be. Making sure that we're all doing what everybody else is doing so that we're all on the same page in case there are any parent concerns or principal evaluations. My personal experiences with evaluations conducted on myself, I have really never had any bad experience with that. I kind of enjoy being evaluated because I love my job and I think teaching is fun. I think that some of the things that make evaluation processes run more smoothly is a lot of praise at the beginning, and making sure that it's personal. My principals have always done a really good job of making sure they give me specific examples of what happened in a lesson that they really enjoyed, and they just make sure that it's really positive at the beginning. And then as for constructive criticism, they make sure they do that toward the end, and they always do it in a positive way. They've always been really good about making sure that everything is positive. Even if there are things that I can improve on or work on, they try to keep it as positive as possible. I think that's really important. I've had some really good mentors myself, and they have always been that way as well. So that's something that I would like to do as a building leader one day, is make sure that anytime I'm conferencing, I remember to make sure that those relationships are strong and that I stay positive and give constructive criticism, but in a positive way. Those are just some of the things that I have had in dealing with observations. Thank you very much.